everyone, we're making chicken shawarma today and I would like to show you how to make it. We start with making the marinade. For that I have a little bit of lemon juice, some garlic, some olive oil, and a mixture of spices. I have cumin, turmeric, paprika, coriander, cinnamon, cardamom, and some cayenne pepper. I'm adding all of these to my olive oil mixture. I'm gonna mix it completely until everything is fully combined. Now this is our base marinade for our shawarma. To make shawarma, I always use chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. And now I'm going to pour this marinade all over my chicken. And just move them a little bit around so the marinade can go all the way and all the chickens getting all the flavor. And then I'm gonna let this be in the refrigerator for 2 hours to overnight. The more it stays, the more flavor it's gonna get. It has been marinated for about 4 to 5 hours right now. You can actually leave it to be in the fridge for even overnight, and that's fine. I'm gonna start placing them on the baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and coated with non-stick spray. And I'm gonna let this cook in the oven at 400 for about 30 minutes until it's fully cooked. And then I'm gonna slice it. The chicken has cooked completely, and now I'm going to slice it. I'm just gonna slice it into very not very tiny pieces. And I'm gonna turn all of these back into the baking sheet and let it broil for about 5 minutes until it's extra crispy. Our chicken shawarma is ready. I put it on pita with some yogurt sauce, some cucumber, and some tomatoes with some dried mint. It makes a great family dinner. Enjoy.